Well, right after I just basically recorded my last video, literally about 1 minute after, I got an inbox message saying, how do you come up with ideas to do shorts? And I just said, well, just go to the store and buy some red ones and yellow ones. And it's summertime, maybe get some bright red ones. And they're like, no, like video shorts, like TikTokies or Instagrams, or, if I want to do something on YouTube, they'll make it a short, not a full blown video. And I'm like, well, I've been full of poop my whole life, explaining why I've been in and out of radio 35 years. First of all, grab your cell phone and just go like this to your cheek. If you go like this, not only does it feel good, but it's good luck. And that means that you're going to have a really good time hanging out with your cell phone. Okay, do it again. And then pretend you're shaving with it. Okay, even if you're a girl. Well, no, girls. Hold on. Sometimes you have that not so fresh feeling when you're making videos. Okay, grab your phone, look at it, put it in selfie mode. I'm going to do it for realsy. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, there we go. Okay, you can probably see that it's in selfie mode. And I'm just looking at myself right now. And I'm going, self, I need to come up with about 15 to maybe 55 seconds worth of content, because if you push it to 58 or 59, sometimes by the time it processes, it might go to exact 60. And if it goes to 60, it's going to get kicked out of TikTok, Insty, Facebooky, and Short, if you're talking about the YouTubester. And your point is that you just want to do some quick videos. I don't think they're the most effective overall, but they're great for just waking up your algorithm, so to speak. If your YouTube is kind of stagnant, it's nice just to get some views. Will a lot of people join LiveGood from your short videos? All you can do is just go, maybe, because if they go to that 6-minute capture page with Ben talking, that's at the end of the day, I think, the deciding factor. Because once people go to my first capture page into my second capture page, they know exactly what they're getting into. You don't accidentally go from one capture page to another capture page without accidentally going, whoopsie doozy, what am I doing? So anyway, when it comes down to shorts, you just kind of look at it yourself and go, oh my God, I look tired. I hate the lighting. And then when you hit record, you're going to go, hi, this is Corey. I like to live. I'm alive and it's all good. And boy, this opportunity is so amazing that I think we sell nutritional products for wholesale. And then you're like, oh my God, it looks like I'm reading and everything's going bad. What am I going to do? One thing that I recommend is just go through the LiveGood website and get good talking about maybe one product that you like, CBDB. You might like some protein powder that tastes like vanilla, which to me is a dessert. I've got like 3 tubs of it on this fridge right over here. You can see all my products lining up on the top of that little mini fridge. I need like a maxi fridge pretty soon, don't I? So here's an idea that's kind of funny. And I got this idea because right after I did my previous video, I was looking at the FAQ section. And it's well written and it gets to the point. And you might get some ideas. So why don't we go and get one? Okay, I'm going to shrink and go to the right. Okay, off to the left of your LiveGooder screen, do you see the FAQ right there? If you click it, you're going to come to this page and it'll say FAQ right at the top. Okay, so right now, how do I change my username or password? Let's just click that and see what it says. Log into your back office and click on My Info to change your user password. Well, you know what? I know this will sound kind of cheesy, but if you want to make a video where it's obvious you're in LiveGood and maybe some people watching your video are already in LiveGood, it just looks kind of good that you're speaking good about LiveGood. Is it all good? Yeah, you can say good 50 times and say it backwards. Doog. All right, live doog. So how do I change my username? So what I do is look in your phone and just go, hey, this is Corey. LiveGood's going great. What an awesome opportunity. I'll tell you what, if you guys need help changing your username or your password, log into your back office, click on My Info, and that'll change your username and password. So if you're not in my downline, or if you're not in LiveGood yet, please just watch the free video, joincorey.com, and that's about it. And before you know it, 30 seconds goes by rather quickly. Sometimes when you go on to 45 to 50, you're really in your mode, because the more you do this, you're going to get really good at going to 59.5, and you're like, whoa, I got to throttle back. But sometimes if you just get little tidbits to talk about LiveGood, where you're already in it, and maybe you're talking to people already in it, you're just like a leader, and you're like, hey team, this is Corey. I just got a question, and right now it's about the username and password, and I'm reading my screen, but you know what? If I have to, hold your phone up like this, and right in back of my phone is the whole computer screen, and you can just sit there and look at it, and you can just look right over your phone, and while you're reading it, it looks like you're looking almost into your screen. And most people, if you're looking off the side a little bit, some people are just randomly walking. They're not even looking at the screen. They might be in a park or behind their steering wheel, which is still my favorite. The steering wheel videos, those are awesome.